wood name tags. For this project, you will need the following materials: a heat press, a ruler, your wood name tag, sublimation paper, heat-resistant tape and a tape dispenser, and a lint roller. Let's begin by measuring the size of our name tag. Start by the highest point. This measures 3.5 inches in height by less than 3.5 inches in width. So we want to make our template about 4 by 4 inches so that everything fits nicely and we get a full coverage. Let's take these measurements over to Canva to design the print.
Let's create the template for the wood name tag. Go to the top and select Custom Size. Change the units to inches and input the size of the sublimation paper you are using. For the width, input 11.0 inches, and for the height, input 8.5 inches. Select Create New Design. Go over to the left panel and select Elements. In the search bar, type Retro Floral Seamless Pattern. Select See All under Graphics. Select the design you wish to use. Size your pattern to 4.4 inches by 4.5. Go over to the panel on the left and select Text. Choose one of the heading options and type the name. Place your design in the middle and center it. To change the font style, go up to the top and select the font. The font that we will be using today is called Apricots. Next, change the font color to the one you desire to use by selecting the text color at the top. Then go up to Effects to add a border. I'm choosing the Outline option. Click on the color, choose the color of your choice. Double-click to change the size of your font. I'm leaving mine to 64 inches. I will also be changing the size of the name to 2.8 by 1 inch. Once your design is complete, title the design and download. To download, head over to Share, select Download, change the file type to PDF Print, select Flatten PDF, select Save Download Settings, then select Download. Select Save one more time. Open the folder where you have saved your design. Open the print manager for the sublimation printer you are using. I'm using a Sawgrass SG500. I will be using PrintMate. Take your design and drag it to Add Files. Scroll up. Make sure to select Mirror option. Scroll up and select Product. Choose the option labeled MDF Board. Go up to Color Management and under Color Mode, select the option labeled Vibrant, then select Print.
Our print is now ready to go and we're ready to sublimate the wood name tag. Let's start by removing the plastic film that is on the sublimation side of the tag. Next, using a lint roller, remove the lint. Take your tag and place it on top of your print. Then apply heat-resistant tape to secure name tag down to the paper.
Next, place the name tag inside butcher paper. Now let's set the time and temperature to sublimate the name tag. Turn on the press using the button located at the right. Next, select Stop to clear the settings. Select Set. Let's set the temperature. Set the temperature using the arrows at 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Then select Set to save the settings. Next, set the time to 60 seconds using the arrows. Then select Set to save the settings. Now we're ready to press. Press at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds. Remove the paper right away to reveal the final result.
Congratulations on sublimating your first wooden tumbler name tag. Look how vibrant these colors turned out.